Hello everyone, let us start drafting belted salwar. We will be drafting belted salwar here for life size, that is for personal measurements. So beforehand you need to have your calculations for belted salwar. However, you have done your 1/4 drafting. In the same way, we are doing the draft on your brown sheet using your tools: L scale, hip curve, French curve and 30 cm long scale. So these are all the tools required to draft belted salwar on your brown sheet. So let us first start with the drafting of salwar portion first. So in order to draw salwar draft, first of all you need to draw a perpendicular line using your L scale. L scale is used to draw a perpendicular line. As you see here, these two are perpendicular to each other, that is 90 degrees angular. So this side is used to draw a perpendicular line first. So towards your top left corner of the brown sheet, place your L scale like this and first of all draw one perpendicular line. And label the corner as 0 and extend this vertical line little bit down using your L scale. See, when extending the line, make sure that you are aligning half of the portion of your line with your scale and then extend it little bit below. And extend the horizontal line also. By aligning half the line with your scale, extend it. Now, step number 1 is 0 to 1 downward direction is your salwar length minus belt width. Salwar length is 100 centimeters. Here we are doing for standard size 10, right? So salwar length is 100 centimeters minus belt width, which is 17.5 centimeters. So 0 to 1 downward direction is salwar length minus belt width, that is 100 minus 17.5, which is 82.5 centimeters. So use your measuring tape to measure 82.5 down. So from point number 0 down, measure 82.5 centimeters. See, this is 82.5 and label the end point as point number 1. 0 to 1 downward direction is 82.5 centimeters. And step number 2 is 0 to 2 outward direction towards your right is half of hip round measurement, which is 90 centimeters for standard size 10. Hip round measurement is for size 10 is 90 centimeters. So 90 by 2, which is 45 centimeters. So 0 to 2 outward direction towards your right, measure 45 centimeters. This is 45 and mark it and label it as point number 2. Now from point number 2 square down, that means draw one perpendicular line from point number 2. See, as I told you earlier, these two are perpendicular to each other. So align your 0 to 2 line with your scale and from point number 2 draw one perpendicular line. Like this, draw one perpendicular line. Now next step is 2 to 3 downward direction is your crotch depth minus belt width. For standard size 10, crotch depth is 35 centimeters and belt width is 17.5 centimeters. So 35 minus 17.5, that is equals to 17.5 centimeters. So 2 to 3 downward direction is 17.5 centimeters. So from point number 2 in downward direction, measure 17.5 centimeters down. This is 17.5. Label the end point as point number 3. Now, from point number 3, square across. Draw a perpendicular line from point number 3. That means, again here, as these two are perpendicular to each other, place your L scale like this. Align your line with your scale. And then, from point number 3, square across with a dotted line. Here, this particular dotted line represents the crotch level for your salwar. So here you can write down crotch level. And next, from point number 1, square across. Again, these two are perpendicular to each other. So, align your 0 to 1 line with your L scale. And from point number 1, now from point number 1, square across. Draw a perpendicular line from point number 1. So again, these two are perpendicular to each other. So align your line with the scale. And from point number 1, draw one perpendicular line. Square across from point number 1. Now, here you are supposed to measure 1 to 4 outward direction is half of bottom round. Bottom round measurement is 38 centimeters per standard size 10. So 1 to 4 outward direction is 38 by 2, which is 19 centimeters. So using your measuring tape, measure 19 centimeters and label the end point as point number 4. Now, next step is 2 to 5 inward direction, that means towards your left hand direction, and 3 to 6 inward direction, that is again towards your left hand direction is 4 centimeters to shape your crotch. So from point number 2, measure 4 centimeters towards your left hand direction and label the end point as point number 5. From point number 3 again measure 4 centimeters and label the end point as point number 6. And then join 5 and 6 with a straight dotted line. Now, X is the midpoint of 5 and 6. So measure 5 to 6, which is 17.5 centimeters, divided by 2, which is 8.75 centimeters. So X is the mid of 5 and 6. Now join 5 and X with a straight line. And now using your French curve, you have to use your French curve in this direction. Join X and 3 with a smooth curve to shape your crotch. This is your crotch shaping for your salwar. Now join 6 and 4 with a straight line using your L scale. If at all your L scale is not sufficient enough, you can use your 30 centimeter scale also. You can extend like this, you can place it like this and then join 6 and 4 with a straight line. And now use your hip curve to join the inside leg seam curve. From point number 3, you need to draw a smooth curve that which blends into your 4 to 6 line. So, while using your hip curve scale, you have a hole over here. So, while placing it, place this hole upward direction like this and draw one smooth curve from point number 3, that which blends into your 4 to 6 line like this. Now let us start drafting belt. Here, as we have already done salwar draft, I am doing my belt draft over here. On my drawing sheet, I can do the draft of my belt over here. Now, let us start drafting belt over here. Again, before starting the draft, any draft needs a perpendicular line. So, using your L scale, draw one perpendicular line first. And label the corner as 0. Step number 1. 0 to 1 downward direction is belt width, that is 17.5 centimeters for standard size 10. So using your measuring tape, from 0 measure 17.5 centimeters and label the end point as point number 1. Now from point number 1, square across. Again here, that means draw one perpendicular line from point number 1. Align your line with the scale and draw one perpendicular line from point number 1. Step number 2. 0 to 2 outward direction is half of hip round measurement plus 5 centimeters extra. We are taking extra for ease. That is 90 by 2 plus 5, which is 50 centimeters. So from point number 0 towards your right hand direction, measure 50 centimeters and label the end point as point number 2. Now square down from point number 2. That means draw one perpendicular line from point number 2 down. Square down from point number 2. First of all, align your line and scale, and from point number 2, square down. That means draw one perpendicular line, and wherever these two lines are meeting, label it as point number 3. Next step is 0 to A. Upward direction is 5 centimeters. From 0, measure 5 centimeters up and label the end point as point number A. In the same way, 2 to B, upward direction is 5 centimeters. First of all, extend the line up. And on that, measure 2 to B, upward direction 5 centimeters. And then join A and B with a straight line. We are taking 0 to A and 2 to B 5 centimeters for casing. So here you can write down as casing. Casing is nothing but the loop which we are going to stitch on top of your belt to insert the drawstring. So this is for your casing. Here you can draw lines like this so that it represents casing. So this is your belt draft for salwar. Let us give the pattern information here. Here, the grain line given here is cross grain line. Name of the pattern is belt, that is salwar belt. This is for standard size 10. If at all you are doing this for your personal size, then instead of size 10, write down your name. And the number of pieces to be cut, 2 pieces. So this is your salwar belt drafting. Now let us cut salwar belt. While cutting, you need to cut A, 1, 3, B and again back to A. So you need to cut along the line. Do not leave any space in between. You need to cut along the line only. I have cut along A to 1 line. Now 1 to 3 line. Again 3 to B. And finally B to A. This is your belt. Now let us cut salwar. First of all, I am cutting along 0 to 5. Here the cutting points are 0, 5, X, 3, 4 and B, A, 1 and again back to 0. So I am cutting along the line here. First of all, I am cutting along the 0 to 5 line. And next 5x3. From 5 to x it is a straight line. From x it is a curve. X to 3 it is a curve. Along the curve you need to cut. And then from 3 along this inside like seam curve and from there straight. And here along the extended line and A to B and now finally A to 0. This is your salwar